Sometimes on WhatsApp, you may have set an About section, and afterwards, if you want to remove or delete that About section, you can do that. In this video, we'll be telling about how to remove or delete the About section from WhatsApp. For this, open the WhatsApp application. After that, above you can see 3 dots. Click on these 3 dots. When you're clicking on that, here you can see the Settings option. Click on Settings. When you're clicking on that, here you can see your profile photo. Click on this profile photo. When you're clicking on that, here you can see the About option, and under that, here you can see the About section is added. And if you want to remove it, click on About, and here you can see the Clear option. Click on Clear. When you're clicking on that, everything from the About section will be cleared. After that, click on this tick button. When you're clicking on that, that About section will be removed. Now here you can see Set About. That means the About section isn't set. So this way, you can easily remove or delete the About section from your WhatsApp profile. Hope this video was helpful for you. If you find it helpful, consider subscribing. See you in the next video.